today I'm about to unbox my luggage set that I ordered from Amazon a few days ago. I have no idea what it looks like, so we're gonna see this together. So there you have it, guys, a 28-inch, 24, 20, and a 16-inch, all for less than $200. And don't forget, I also got the pouch that I can put my toiletries in, as well as the weekend bag. So these are my luggages. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. And if you want to see more videos like these, let me know in the comment section. I will come back to you and give you a review after I've used them. So thank you guys so much again for watching my content. See you next time. Bye.